My name is June Anderson, and I'm doing my current event on Lidl's success in the U.S., or lack thereof. Lidl is a German-based discount grocery store, and it's the major competitor of Aldi's and Trader Joe's. The goal of Lidl was to bring down grocery prices throughout the U.S., and they kicked off in Arlington, Virginia. Their strategy, resulted in poor placement of their locations. Their locations that they chose were not convenient enough for most consumers, and so their foot traffic has not been very high. They also didn't understand American consumers very well, and they didn't have a very good understanding of what they were looking for in their grocery stores. So most people, they would shop at Lidl for a few weeks and then they'd quickly return to their other grocery stores. One of the other big issues is that major competitors like Walmart and Kroger were able to price match in a lot of areas, which drove people back to Walmart versus Lidl. One of the bigger issues also was that in Europe, their stores were a maximum of 10,000 square feet and had up to 1,500 items. And here in the U.S., their stores are closer to 20,000 feet and have closer to 4,000 to 5,000 items. So it's giving people too much option and is straying from the Lidl image, so to speak. Their idea to fix it was they hired Johannes Fieber, who has a master's in supply chain management, who has some big ideas about how to correct some of the issues, because we still believe that there is hope for Lidl. The article suggested that they return the focus to distribution, supply chain, and pricing instead of expansion. The CEO said that they would be reducing expansion for 2018 and 2019. It also suggested that, like Target, they attract millennials through loyalty programs. One of the biggest hurdles is Amazon, because you can order literally anything you ever need from Amazon. Other grocery stores like Walmart and I think even Wegmans is beginning to do it, is that they're offering online shopping and quick pickup. And Lidl is not a place where you can go and shop online yet. So I believe that that's something that will be in the works. The hope is that they'll spread across the U.S. and bring down prices further, but also to expand to Canada and Mexico, specifically to Mexico, because then they'll have their foot in the door with distribution down there and will be able to further bring down grocery prices for those using Lidl products. And this is my source. Thank you so much.